Winter indeed brings snow, cold, and darkness. But one way to make winter work for you is by getting prepared for the worst. Outdoor survival is always a challenging task, and during winter, trying to make it out of a bad situation becomes exponentially difficult. You might have heard stories of people trapped in blizzards, of hikers bunkering down in the snow, of travelers huddling up in their cars when the roads are impassable. If this is the situation, a winter survival kit can save your day. This is why we've made a list and created a video about the 5 best winter survival kits depending on their usefulness. So, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
You never know where the road may lead or predict what may happen. So it's really important not to be caught unprepared. And for greater security on the street, travel on with the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit, one of the most recognizable and trusted names in the automotive industry that has been around for more than 100 years. All of the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit components meet the minimum standards set forth by the AAA Engineering Department. This kit contains 42 components to help keep you prepared for those unforeseeable events, ranging from finding your car with a dead battery or needing a flashlight to look in those dark places under the seats. It contains 9 automotive kit types, including 8-foot 8-gauge jumper cables, aluminum flashlight and batteries, 2-in-1 screwdriver, and more. Besides, it has survival supplies like emergency poncho, shop cloth 5 cable ties, etc. and first aid supplies as well. And finally, it weighs around 2.7 pounds and comes equipped with AAA membership brochure and AAA accident guidelines for assistance. Featuring first aid and automotive emergency items, the high-quality Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit meets your preparedness needs, helps to keep you safe, and lives up to its promises. Because we never know when there will be an emergency in cold outdoor situation, it is wise to always be prepared, and Ready America has got a solution for you. Its 70-80 2-person emergency kit has essentials that 2 people would need for 3 days. Inside of it, you'll find the basic essentials to help you and one other person get through any emergency. First of all, it includes a 2400-calorie emergency food bar and emergency drinking water, and both of them have 5 years of shelf life. The food here is cholesterol-free, can withstand temperatures between -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and are Coast Guard approved. Besides, a 33-piece first aid kit includes antiseptic, medication, bandages, a butterfly wound closure, and more. Apart from that, its other emergency supplies have 12-hour light sticks, emergency blanket, emergency poncho, and more. Each kit contains enough emergency supplies to sustain 2 people for 3 days. The 3 basic essentials, as recommended by the American Red Cross, are in every handy backpack. You can store it wherever it can be easily accessed in an emergency. And finally, everything comes in a small and convenient plastic carrying case so that you can easily carry it and store it. Designed by preparedness experts, the Ready America 70-80 emergency kit is ideal for winter emergencies and survival scenarios where you need to stay alive until help comes to you. Expect the unexpected with the S.O.L Traverse Teen Survival Kit. This tent equips you for winter outdoor survival in 4 crucial areas as water, shelter, fire, and signaling until rescue comes. As you can see, this is an old-school survival tent, but it's equipped with life-saving tools inside. These tools include 2 water purification tablets. Each of them will purify up to 1 liter of water. It also consists of a water storage bag so that you can store drinking water. Its emergency blanket reflects 90% of radiated body heat and stretches up to 650 100% without being torn. And you can build a shelter for yourself until the help comes to you. You know fire is something very essential, especially in cold weather, and it has got a firelight striker that is waterproof and tested to produce over 5,000 sparks without any problem. And finally, you can broadcast your location up to 1 mile away with a 100 decibel mini slim rescue howler whistle that comes included with the survival kit. The S.O.L Traverse Tin Survival Kit is an old-school survival tin with the modern-day survival kit's quality and features. With its life-saving essentials, this is something that helps you travel light and prepare for your outdoor adventure. Every year, there are 5,000 pedestrian fatalities and 7,000 injuries from traffic-related crashes in the USA, and during winter, the rate just gets higher. Well, the HOKENA LED road flares emergency lights promise to change this scenario by letting you signal for assistance and designed to protect you and your loved ones even in the worst conditions. This kit has got 3 LED road flares that have 9 emergency modes. With these lights, you can create a signal for assistance for up to 35 hours at a stretch. Besides, its box includes a car emergency escape tool with a window breaker, 2 emergency thermal blankets, 1 keychain whistle, and many more essentials for emergency survival. It includes pre-installed batteries, plus its industrial-strength rear earth magnets will keep your roadside safety discs secure to the side of your vehicle. And finally, it comes with a quality storage bag to easily carry or store this. The HOKENA LED road flares emergency lights are safe, reusable, and easy to use without the risk of fire or burns, and in a nutshell, these are the safest LED flares for any motorcycle, boating, or car emergency kit that you can consider for yourself. Fire has been an asset to the human species for thousands of years, and when it is about winter, you need a reliable fire kit for your outdoor situations. And the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit is designed to save your day when others turn their back. Its compact and high-caliber rugged ABS construction packs enough punch to overpower cold weather conditions and efficiently start a fire at a moment's notice. And for a reliable fire, it's equipped with 5 easy, lightweight paraffin wax-coated spark tinder. You just need to use its flint spark wheel and fire up its tinder, which can burn for up to 5 minutes in any weather condition. Besides, it features a very comfortable one-hand use and provides a sturdy grip. Another great feature is its ability to float on the water, and it does that on top of its water-resistant construction. Plus, it has also got a lanyard hole for easy carrying. All in all, the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit is an absolutely amazing winter survival kit that is reusable, durable, and lightweight for long-lasting use. So that was all about the 5 best winter survival kit just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.